Hello boys and girls, how are yous? This week we are going to continue to use our number line, but we're going to be using it for something slightly different. And I wonder if Freddy the Frog can help you guess what we're going to be learning about. He's been a little bit of a rascal this week. So the other day I found these really tasty biscuits in my cupboard. So I thought, you know what, I'm going to go and put the kettle on, make a cup of tea, and then I could eat these all. My goodness, I was so excited. But then I went and put the kettle on and came back and discovered that, oh dear, Freddy the Frog had eaten some of my biscuits. How many were left? There was only 3 left. So were you able to figure out what Freddy the Frog was trying to teach us? If you said taken away, then you're absolutely right. Freddy the Frog is going to be teaching us to use our number line, but to make the answer smaller rather than bigger. So we're going to be learning today and tomorrow all about taking away. And this is what the take away sign looks like. Some people call it the minus sign, which means exactly the same thing. It means that your answer is going to get smaller. So I wonder at home if you could make your own takeaway sign just by using your magic finger. Okay, so I'm going to set this down and we're going to do it together. So we're going to start at one side and we're going to come the whole way over and we're going to draw it in the air. Okay, are we ready? So make it really, really big from over here the whole way down to over here. So it's a straight line across. This time I want you to get your other finger, using your other hand, and you're going to make your takeaway or your minus sign really small. Are you ready? Off we go. Really small minus sign. Okay, well done if you joined in at home. So we know that our froggy finger, or Freddy, likes to jump across the number line, and we've been learning that he likes to jump forward. But today, Freddy the Frog, I told you he's being such a rascal. He wants to go backwards and make the numbers on the number line smaller. Okay, so I want you to stand up wherever you are. Remember that when we're taking away, we go backwards on the number line. Okay, maybe you could do it with me. After 2. 1, 2. Okay, 3, 2, and 1. Fantastic. So before we move on, make sure that you've got your numeracy jotter nearby and that you've got a pencil. You'll also need your number line, so make sure you have all of that before we move on. Okay, so for this part, you don't need to write anything down. I just need to make sure that you're showing me you're really good listening and that you're paying attention. So let me see who's been listening so far. I said that when we're taking away, our froggy finger needs to go in what direction? Well done. So well done if you said it has to go backwards. Okay, so I've got an example sum on the board for you. It says what? It says 12 take away 3 equals. So it's our job to figure out the answer 12 take away 3. So where do you think we need to start on the number line? Yep, we need to start on the number 12. So I'm going to put my froggy finger on the number 12 and I'm going to go backwards 3 times, okay? So starting on 12, we're going to count 3 times, but we're going to go backwards, okay? 1, 2, 3. Where did my frog land? I know it's really hard to see, but I'm going to tell you it's 9, okay? Okay, so you got 9 at home, really well done. Okay, again, you don't need to be writing down these little example questions, but if you do have your number line in front of you, that would be really, really helpful. Okay, let's try another one. So we've got 15 take away 6. Okay, so on your number line with your froggy finger, I want you to start at what number? Yep, so the question wants us to start on the number 15. So get your froggy finger and point to 15. Then we're going to count backwards how many times? Yep, we're going to count backwards 6 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What number did you land on? Great, if you landed on the number 9, then you're flying. Really, really well done. If you didn't, give it another go, and I know that you'll get there. Sometimes we just need to practice a few other times till we get there, but really, really well done. Okay, this is where we have to start writing some things down. So it'd be really good if you have your numeracy jotter in front of you, and if you can divide the page into 4, that would be really, really helpful. So I'm going to go ahead and write some sums up here for you, and then you can copy them down. Okay, so the first one says 8 take away 4. So if you could write that down for me, that would be brilliant. And another one that we're going to write at this side is 9 take away 3. So if you could go ahead and write both of those down, that would be brilliant. Okay, so 8 take away 4. Remember, where are you going to start on your number line? Where is Freddie going to start? Yep, he's going to start at 8, and he's going to jump backwards 4 times, okay? So you have a go at that one. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I landed on the number 4, so if you did as well, you can give yourself a big tick. Okay, so make sure you have 9 take away 3 written underneath, because that's going to be our next sum. 9 take away 3 means our little frog is going to have to start at the number 9. And he's going to have to jump backwards. How many times? Yep, 3 times. So 1, 2, 3. So if you land it on the same number as me, which is the number 6, then you can write that answer down and give it a big tick. If you didn't get there, I'm going to have a wee go again until you do. Okay, so for these next ones, I'm going to go ahead and just write all of them up, and then at the very end, I'm going to go through the answers with you, okay? So you might want to pause this video here for as long as you need, and then hit play again when you want to mark your work. And when you get back, there'll be one last challenge for you here, which I hope you'll enjoy. Welcome back, hopefully you got on okay with that. We're going to start marking 12 take away 2. So for that, hopefully you started at 12 and you jumped back twice. So 12 take away 2. If you said 10, then give yourself a big tick. Well done. 11 take away 3. You would have started at 11 and jumped back 3 times. So hopefully you've got the answer 8 and give yourself a big tick. 16 take away 5. If you said 11, then give yourself another big tick. If you've made a mistake again, please don't worry. Mistakes are how we learn. We all make mistakes, so don't worry. We're down here, 13 take away 2. If you said 11, then give yourself a big tick. 10 take away 6. This one kind of reminds me of my number bonds of 10. Maybe other people will have found this and spotted the connection. 10 take away 6 is 4. Do you notice how 6 add 4 is also 10? So there you go. 18 take away 11. If you said 7, then you can give yourself a big tick for that. Okay, so now for our challenge, we're going to put it in a word problem, and you might laugh at this, okay? But here we go. So our word problem challenge. In our P2 classroom, there was always loads of sweets. Mine and Miss Bannister's classroom, we had lots of sweets. So there are 19 Haribo strawberry sweeties in a packet. Your teacher eats 12 of these Haribo strawberry sweeties. How many sweets are left for poor P2? So like always, if you want, you can write this down on your jotter, or you can send me or Miss Bannister a little message or a photograph or something, or a video, whatever you want, on Seesaw, because we absolutely love hearing from you every day. So hopefully you got on well with that, and if you have any more questions or anything you need help with, please don't hesitate to contact me or Miss Bannister. We're always there to help. Okay, speak to you soon. Bye.